short-term pain for a long-term gain.
Manitoba's current public health orders will extend through the holiday season. The province officially declared today. That means staying at home, celebrating with your household only.
That's going to be difficult. It's going to be lonely for many. But the best thing we can do now for our loved ones is to stay apart so that we may be together in person next year.
However, some changes to the order starting Saturday. The province will temporarily allow drive-in services after 2 Manitoba churches fought the order. People must be in a car with members of their household only and may not leave their cars to socialize.
So we still are concerned. We're going to watch this very closely. And if adherence isn't good to the orders, then we could change course on that.
Other changes include acupuncture and osteopathy will now be allowed to operate. Thrift stores will be allowed to open with capacity limits. Food banks and hamper operations can continue. In-store shoppers will be able to buy holiday decorations, religious items, and school supplies. People will be allowed visits for landlords, legal services, and home businesses. The Winnipeg Jets will be allowed to start training. And the province clarifying the guidelines regarding outdoor activity as Winnipeg continues to see unseasonable warmth.
We know there's a tremendous benefit to staying active, so we wanted to clarify in these orders that activities that involve your household outdoors certainly are okay. If you are outdoors amongst others, you have to have that physical distancing. The group size limits of 5 still are in place.
Manitoba's new case numbers have largely plateaued under the new orders, avoiding dire projections, but still not quite seeing the expected decrease.
We haven't seen it as quickly as we wanted, that's definite, but we are seeing that trend, and we certainly from our modeling numbers saw that it made a significant difference. And so we're certainly not in a position to loosen significantly any of these restrictions. We know where that will take us back to that worst case scenario.
Bruson attributes the numbers to household contacts, workplaces, and community transmission, which means no known link. He and the Premier stressing the toll of this physically isolated holiday season is necessary to prevent further stress on an already overwhelmed healthcare system. But Pallister offering some advice.
Call somebody you love. They'll appreciate the phone call. Please reach out. Don't let people feel alone at this time of year. Do that. That'll be much appreciated.
The health orders will be in effect until January 8th. In Winnipeg, Stefanie Lasuik, City News.